My talk is about why I love clay and how 6 clay properties resonate within me. 1. Plasticity. Clay is malleable. It's a mix of finely grained natural rock and soil material with traces of silica, metal oxides, and organic matter, and water. It's basically pliable skin of planet Earth that has incredible receptiveness to touch and can record the finest marks of the maker's fingerprints. Memory. Clay receptiveness to forming is related to the fact that it can hold the shape by memorizing it. We think of digital technology as supreme when it comes to recording memory, and yet this archival material can record and petrify the memory of the maker in a form of a cup or tea bowl, for example. The maker's marks communicate with you on a daily basis as you drink coffee or tea or water. 3. Porosity. Clay is porous and can filter water. A great number of pores create a tortuous path for dirt and pathogens to get trapped. They go through the filter and get trapped inside the pores or on the bottom of the filter, while the clean and purified water can go through. 4. Shrinkage. Clay shrinks. As water evaporates from the formed clay, the clay atoms move closer together. And this is only the preview of the incredible metamorphosis clay undergoes in the firing process. Refractory. Clay is the only material that becomes stronger in fire. As everything else disintegrates and falls apart, clay endures in flames, aligning its particles closer and tighter together, changing into a vitrified and sealed form. 6. Fragility. Despite the malleability and refractory properties, clay can crack and break. Eventually, the shards become dust and go back as the skin of the earth, ready for the new cycle. On a daily basis, I find these properties within me. My mind is malleable as I ply clay. It informs my memory as much as it absorbs mine. If I start again making something different, I have to work harder to realign the particles and memory of clay so I can successfully create a new shape. Same way as my bad memories don't go away, but they can become easier as I reshape them and rewedge them. All kinds of trash gets trapped inside the pores of my mind, and my brain is filtered on a daily basis. Some thoughts shrink to solidify, and I fire those connecting to the world of ideas with the world of reason. My imagination is refractory, becoming stronger in fire. I'm a fragile human, and my scars and cracks can be revered, like kintsugi, that treats breakage and repair as part of the history of an object rather than something to disguise.